Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Chocolate Butterfly coming to you with another review. Now today I'm coming with the quick weave as I stated in my previous reviews, and I was going to use the Freetress Equal Brazilian Bundle Wave and in the color 530. The style I decided to do is the half up, half down. And I decided that because this color is so pretty, I just wanted to wear in a cute ponytail and just have it hanging beautiful in the back. I didn't want to do too much with it. Now on the hair that I previously installed, I waited for this review to talk about that hair. I'll insert a picture here. It was okay. I liked the closure. That was nice. The hair was nice. It was just something that was not going to last very long. And I thought that it would, because other organic Q styles, they last. I've seen girls do all kinds of things with it. I want at least 2 weeks out of the hairstyles. I know I'm dealing with synthetic hair. So I know it's not going to be perfect, because by the second week, I'm already on to the next. And like I said, I have the 20 and the 18, which is going to go in the back. And I'll use these two for the ponytail. And I did get that hair off of samsbeauty.com. Now, the good thing about it is when you buy off samsbeauty.com, they have points that add up. So I actually got a pack for free, and the hair was already about $6. So I spent about 13. I don't braid my hair. I just have my hair pinned down because I'm not able to braid. I just put on the rubber diamond, and then I put on the stocking cap, and I put this on again. I also spray this on my hair and sit up under the hair dryer, because also, I'm going to be using the Softy Silky Shine Olive Oil Styling Gel, my hair glue. And I'm also going to use this for my edges, which is the Cream of Nature with Argan Oil. Perfect edges, which really does work. And I like that it has a little black in there. So until I get my edges back like I like them, it does help as a substitute. You seen what happened on that last hair when I opened it. I'm hoping I don't go through a massacre of that with this. That color is pretty. Now you see, it's not tangling. It's actually straight. So it's a nice soft, like, okay. This has a nice thickness to it. Oh, this is going to be pretty. Look at that. I'm excited about this one. Oh, that color is so pretty. It's giving me purple plum, like a purple plum color. Oh, I can't even do my hair yet, y'all. I'm about to get... Why y'all ain't say nothing? I'm about to get started on my hair. I gotta still do a layer of protectant, so I will be back. I just wanted to start the review off right. Hello everyone, I'm back, and I'm coming ready to do my hair now. It is all molded. Once again, I put on the growth protectant and then the freezing spray, the Got to Be Glued. So now I'm going to go ahead and get started, and you know me, cue the music. ahead and step away from the camera so I can go pay attention to what I'm doing when I cut off this cap, and then I'll mold my hair, and I'll come back with the rest of the review so I can go ahead and wrap the ponytail on, and we will be done, you guys, with this one. It's a really quick style. I'm loving it, so I will be back. Stay tuned. All right, so now I have my hair slicked up into a ponytail, and I'll definitely use the rest of this hair and then wrap the 16-inch around as well. Okay, that's it so far. Yeah, that's it so far. Oh, that's cute. And let's use the last pack of hair to finish the ponytail, and we will be all done. This is how the quick weave came out, you guys. I'll definitely probably redo the ponytail in the morning, but I just wanted to put it on and show you how it is going to look. And I can put it to the side. Ooh, that looks like a big old cute ponytail. So y'all tell me what y'all think about this quick weave. I just wanted to come real quick and show you what I did. And I will see you in the next review.